A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Good day and welcome to your ninth lecture of development communication. Our topic for today is the concept and the differences of developed and developing countries. So, first of all, let us understand the concept of developed and developing countries. HDI, Human Development Index, statistics rank the countries on the basis of their development under three main categories: economic sustainability, social sustainability, and environmental sustainability. Now we will try to understand these both concepts. The concept of developed is very subjective, but generally means the country is advanced in terms of industrialization, income, infrastructure, per capita income, and high standard of life. The examples of developed countries are USA, UK, Norway, Japan, France, Russia, China, Germany, Israel, etc. Now, developing country. The concept of developing suggests that a country with a low per capita income, slow rate of industrialization, high unemployment and poverty rates, and low standard of life. The example of developing countries are India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Kenya, Angola, Ethiopia, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, North Korea, etc. Now, we come to the differences between developed and developing countries. Developed countries have high GDP, gross domestic product, and on another hand, developing countries have low GDP or gross domestic product. Developed countries have high GNP, gross national product, and developing countries have low GNP, gross national product. Developed countries have high per capita income, and developing countries have low per capita income. Developed countries generates revenue from the industrial sector, while on another hand, developing countries generates revenue from the service sector. Developed countries got good governance, while developing countries have bad governance. Developed countries people have good life standard, whereas developing countries have low life standard. In developed countries, people have equality, while developing countries, the people don't have equality. Developed countries have great social values, whereas developing countries have bad social values. Developed countries have high literacy rate, whereas developing countries have low literacy rate. Developed countries have low death rates, while developing countries have high death rates. Developed countries have independence and are prosperous, while on another hand, developing countries depend on developed countries. Developed countries utilize the resources efficiently, while on another hand, developing countries utilize the resources non-effectively. Developed countries have better health care, while developing countries have bad health care. Developed countries have better infrastructure with better environment, while developing countries have bad infrastructure and bad environment. Developed countries have better health care and developing countries have bad health care. Developed countries have better human rights, while on another hand, in developing countries, the people almost don't have rights. Developed countries uses modern technology, while developing countries use indigenous technology. I hope you understand the concept and the differences of developed and developing countries. And if you didn't, then let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much.